Hi, this is Pat from Associated Siding, Omaha, Nebraska. It's the house we did here recently. It's got Mastic Quest panel, which comes in 25-foot 6 long pieces, so don't have any seams. This garage was particularly suited for it because it's got 24-foot walls, so it just worked perfect. Homeowner loves it. Covered the overhang with aluminum soffit. Had to fix the gutter. It wasn't up behind the flashing. We had to drop it, put it back up. Covered the garage door trim with black aluminum with 40 custom bins or brake buddy bins. Put new vinyl weather stripping on it. These are the little fancier corners. They have a little part that bumps up on them. Garage and the house, we did these sections in between the windows. Shouldn't have siding before. Covered the garage door trim, black. These look pretty sporty. Had to make a custom light block because the light was too big for a normal vinyl light block. All new doorbells. It fits wonderfully. We didn't do soffit on this, so if it doesn't fit so wonderfully, that's why. Here again, you have no seams. It's about a 24-foot wall, so instead of having probably 6 or 8 seams, you have none. Same as this. If you're using 12-foot siding, you'd have a bunch of seams on there, and you don't have any. This is what they call a louvered dryer vent, which is much better than the ones with the little flaps, because the little flaps eventually warp and fall off, turn to not such wonderful stuff. If you're interested in putting vinyl siding on your house, we do all kinds of other things. We'd be happy to hear from you. Associated Siding in Omaha, Associated Siding and Remodeling in Omaha. Give us a call. Have a good day. Thanks.